In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a meeting outcome in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your scheduled meetings on a contact record and how to mark the correct outcome so your reporting and follow-ups stay accurate. First, open your browser and search for HubSpot. Click through to the HubSpot site and log into your account. Make sure you're signing in with the workspace that has your CRM data, as layouts and permissions can vary slightly between accounts. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left-hand sidebar and locate the CRM area. If the menu is collapsed, hovering over it will expand the labels so you can see all your options. From there, choose Contacts. This takes you to your full list of contacts. Next, open one of your contacts. You can pick any contact you've recently met with or one you're working with today. This opens the contact's record, where you'll see their activity timeline and details. On the contact record, look for the activity toolbar or filters near the timeline and select Meetings. This filters the timeline to show only meeting-related activity, so you're not scrolling through calls, emails, and notes. If nothing appears right away, adjust the activity filters or date range to make sure scheduled meetings are visible. Find the scheduled meeting you want to update and click it to open the meeting details. This expands a panel with everything tied to that event, including the title, date and time, attendees, and other related fields. Inside the meeting details, locate the meeting outcome field. This is the key property that tells your team what happened, and it feeds directly into dashboards and follow-up workflows. When you found it, click the field to open the list of available outcomes. Common choices include options like completed, rescheduled, canceled, or no-show. Select the option that best reflects what actually happened. After you click your selection, HubSpot will save it automatically in most setups. You should see the outcome reflected immediately in the meeting details and on the activity timeline for that contact. Choosing the correct outcome helps your team understand pipeline health, identify patterns like frequent reschedules or no-shows, and prioritize next steps. It also improves the accuracy of activity-based reporting without any extra data entry. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Contacts, open the right contact, filter by meetings, open the scheduled meeting, find meeting outcome, and select the status that applies. Keep outcomes consistent across your team so your reports stay clean and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.